You're listening to VendoNet News, VendoNet IT Broadcasting Network. Restaurants reopened in Huntsville, Alabama. Many roads that were closed are reopened. Snow. They're beginning to reopen this morning, according to Huntsville Times. February 10, 2011. Jefferson County Stormwater Authority played fighting solutions. Birmingham News. Jefferson County Stormwater Authority is proposing a new playbook that spells out how local cities should combat water pollution. Meeting Wednesday, leaders of the 12 local governments that comprise WMA set on March 23rd. So we're hearing on the new book of procedures, which were developed by Jefferson County Department of Public Health. Tuskegee, when a storm warning issued for Alabama. Snow possible. College holds Tuskegee Airmen exhibit hours of 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. through February 23rd by Jeff Gill. From February 9th to 11th, Kick Stirred exhibit what, when, where, how, and contact. What? Information and history about the Tuskegee Airmen, America's first black military house. When, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Thursday through February 23rd. Grand opening celebration set for 2 a.m. Sunday. Where? North Georgia Technical College Visual Technology Center. Cost free. Contact Christina Peasley 706-754-7841. When, where, how, and contact. And what? North Georgia Technical College in Clarksville is sponsoring an exhibit that describes the history and exploits of the Tuskegee Airmen, a group of black pilots who broke the hollow barrier during World War II. This has been VendoNet News, VendoNet IT Broadcasting Network, Church of Satchell, February 11, 2011. Stay tuned for more gospel music coming up next. Thank you.